Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to reboot a Samsung phone. So if you have a Samsung Galaxy device, either S series or H series, and now you want to reboot or restart your Samsung Galaxy phone, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this up informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to reboot a Samsung phone, all you need to do is locate the side button, that is the power button beneath the volume down button. So if you have your two buttons at the same location, then you should have the power button. But if your Samsung buttons are in two different sides, just locate the power button, press and hold it. Once you press and hold it, you should see the power menu pops. On the power menu, locate and click on restart. Once you hit restart, you should see a that says tap again to restart your phone. Then go ahead and tap restart again to reboot your phone, and once that is done, hang on a couple of seconds for your Samsung phone to be rebooted. And once it is rebooted, you can then go ahead, type in your Samsung phone password, and then your phone will start working again. So that is basically how to reboot a Samsung phone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.